Hi, this is Karen Yancey with Online Learning Services at the College of St. Rose, and I'm going to show you how to create groups in Canvas. First, go to People, and you'll see a list of your students. Go up to Groups, the Groups tab, and then select Group Set, Add Group Set. Create a name for your group, and then you can allow your students to self-sign, and you can also require them to be members of the same section, or you can have Canvas randomly assign them for you into a certain number of groups, and you can also require them to be group members in the same section, or you can create it manually. There's also an option for establishing group leaders, to have one automatically assigned, or to have the first person who joins the group to be the leader, or to set a random student as a leader. But you don't have to use that leadership option if you don't want leaders in your group. Once you've finished deciding how the group will be divvied up, press Save, and Canvas will randomly assign. And here you click the arrow and you'll see the list of students that are in the group. And the next one down has another list of students. You can move students by clicking on the vertical ellipsis to the right and select Move, and you can move those students to a different group. Group 1. And now she's in Group 1, and I can move this student to Group 2 and move. As you can see, you can set certain students, you can set students as leaders if you want. You can remove them from the group. And if you remove them from the group, they go into the unassigned student column. So I'm going to remove several. You can create another group set if you want several group sets in your course. And this time I'm going to manually create the groups. So I have a group set now, but I don't have any groups in the group set. So I need to create one. And I'm going to limit it to 4 members. So now I can drag and drop 4 students, into that group. There we go. Now I need to create a new group. And I'm going to limit that to 4 as well. And I can drag and drop students into that group. And now I have 4 students in that group as well, and it is full, and it says 4 out of 4. I can delete groups by simply going here, deleting a group. I can delete the group, and I can delete the group set. And now I'm back to the randomly assigned groups that I created earlier. Now groups can have their own home page. So I'm going to visit the home page of the first group. There are no messages on this board yet, but it will fill up with messages between students. It says, once you begin participating in your courses, you'll see this stream fill up with messages from discussions, grading updates, private messages, and other kinds of messages. You can create an announcement to this group page by clicking on announcement, and you'll see that it will go to the Group 1 home page. Click on the plus button, and here is an announcement page that you can type the title in and the body of the message here. And then you press save, and it will go into that board. So I'll say, and now I'm going to press save. and here it is in the Group 1 homepage. To get out of the home page, go back. Let's see. To People. You can click on the People tab. Go to Home. And I can switch groups by going to the Group 2 homepage if I wanted to. And now I go back out of the home pages and back into the People tab. Now you can create discussions that are used by groups. You can have two separate discussions going on in the class. But so first you would go to the Discussions tab and select New Discussion. You can title it and you can select this as a group discussion and set the group category for group. That's the group set that will be using this discussion. And if you need to create a new group category, you can through the assignment, through the discussion window. Let's say, and I will split up my students into two groups and then press save. And now I have two groups to choose this discussion to join. So I will keep that. I will save and publish. And now I can go back into discussions, add another discussion with a different topic. I can set this to go to a different group and now press save and publish. Now I have two separate discussions with two different groups. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.